Come, follow me. This is your room. It's much nicer than mine. It's calming, isn't it? Just like the music. Oh! You're the duster of the house.
Oh, so that's my job.
Yes. I'll go get you playing.
What's this?
It's just something. Okay, I change my voice sometimes, but that's okay with you, right? I'll go get you another blanket, and then I'll show you your bed. Dropped it again. What are you doing?
I like the music that you put in the room. It's nice.
I'm making your bed more comfy. You should be thankful. It's rock hard right now.
This is where I sleep? But I get all this space to play, right?
No.
Oh.
And not to escape either. I
Really?
don't want you to escape.
And let me guess, this room is your room, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Do you get to keep this on though? I really like this. It's soothing.
I'll see if this is comfy. Oh yes. You try it.
Well, can I put all my stuff in there?
If it'll fit.
Thanks. Okay.
And your duster will always be here if you need it, okay?
Thanks.
This is your duster.
Ooh. I'll go over here.
I'll be right there. Okay?
I'm not in yet. Give me a second. And
Good night.
good night.
You're locked, buddy. Should I take away those?
No, you said I can keep any personal belongings. Hey! It's in the manual. I read it. Good night.
I'll just get down this printer off.
It's so tiny in here. Maybe I can bust my way out. It's no use. It's stuck. Ow! I'm free! I can escape! I
out.
I'm free!
Huh?
I'm free!
I'm free! Stop! Right there. What are you doing in the corner? Stay there. Don't move. I'm just gonna go get something.
Okay.
What are you doing? Where are you going? I told you, in the corner.
Fine.
Just gonna go get something. Stay there.
I should probably be trying to escape. Well, the door is closed, so I can't get out of there. The window! Just escape through this window.
What are you doing? I guess I had no other choice but to. You'll see. Hanging is the thing to do when your servant doesn't listen. What should I do to my other bad servants? Any other idea? Let's go. Oh.